Hello and welcome to Stocks Advisor channel. Today we will talk about MultiPlan Corporation, traded at New York Stock Exchange, ticker name MPLN. Well, MPLN today did show a very huge decline. It's actually minus 19.7%, almost minus 0.20, and this is not the end. It actually intraday went even lower from, and the range of the trade was from 9 towards actually sub 6.5, which is huge for the stock. Enormous volatility also on the bottom of the trade. You can see here that the price actually was playing between 7.1 and sub 6.5 and ended actually with some volatility upwards with huge downward shadow. So those who entered at the bottom actually could make even some nice profits here, but overall the situation is bad here. The price is fading, and the question is, well, what's next? Where is new recovery and what's happening, where it will stop fading, if it will, and so what's the future? To understand this, we need to do a quick analysis here. First of all, it's important to note here that the price didn't go that low quite a while. Already half a year we were usually trading for this one somewhere with the channel of around, let's say, 1040, a little bit elevating with time, and also the upper price was volatiling but not going more than 30% increase. Let's say that level was seen on 13th of July. Overall, the price upwards levels were somewhere in let's say in the level of 1150, 12, something like that. But now the price is declining, and now the question is where it's going to go further. This is of course happened after the reverse took place at the beginning of November, so it seemingly the downward trend reverted, but actually what happened is just bouncing between the two downwards or declining channels, and this is the upwards declining channel is actually channel R1, you can clearly see here, and downwards the bottom of this opening declining channel is actually this level, and it is, we can call it R2. And if you look what happened today, we were exactly trading between the top of R1 and almost the bottom of R2 here. So now the question is where it is going to stop, or what's the next for the price action. This is also can be seen from what happened today, because the level we stopped here is another opening level, is actually going parallel to R1, so it's a parallel declining trend. Let's draw it in dark, and we can call this one R3. The reason it's like that, because usually when you have strong declining trends and channel, when they are opening like R1, R2, at certain moment they start going to parallel, because if there is no significant move, let's say, to open it further, then actually it starts to narrow, and in this case it was paralleling, and in the November we started kind of a fast return and again decline. So now let's say the lower limit of the price, the shadow was between R3, R2, and the body is between R1 and R3. And what we can say here, most probably the price will start volatiling between, actually in the middle of R3 all the way like this here, because that's the action that can be expected here, since also it will follow the continuation of the price the price action that took place between mid of October and all the way until beginning of November. So with this, actually this is next future, let's say, at least from technical point of view for the stock. Also, if you look for other indicators here, like for example moving average 20, you see that the green line, it's now again going to decline. So it did the move like this, and now it's again in a decline phase. Similarly for moving average 50 here, just going downwards like this, and also in decline mode. So both are in decline, and moving average 20 is accelerating downwards. Therefore, actually volatility on R3 level is expected here. Although volatility can be really huge, and with this, of course, it might open the space for those who like, let's say, playing on volatility waves. Here you can see the upper wave, upper channel for volatility. This one we can call it V1. Most probably the price will be going all till V1 and then declining until R3 or a little bit lower here. And this should continue until actually we do two things for the stock. So one is RSI, we should go again overbought to create some positive upwards pressure. And secondly, it's the most important, MACD should again go to negative wave. And though it can go several times negative wave, but still only when it will be a negative area and in a reverse, so in return to positive, only then would be the second option here to have any jump. Before that, actually it will be volatility R3 with some upper channel of V1 from technical point of view. Of course, if there will be any let's say catalyst coming as a news or anything like that, then the price could go higher, but overall if not this, the price is declining. And actually, well, it's not really declining, because if you look, it's just returning to where it was, to R3, after some significant jump to R1 level and then decline. So actually the R1 has confirmed itself that a strong upwards seal, and actually R2 slightly changed to R3. So the current working channel is R1, R3, with the middle of it of V1 being the top of the volatility. With this, it's advised to wait again until other parameters like RSI and MACD will not prepare for reversal. Overall, it's stock to wait and observe. That might open some interesting opportunities later, but for now, it's of course just to wait, avoid, because some volatility spikes might take place here. With this is all for MPLN for today. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This way you will not miss other videos and other interesting discussions for US-based stocks.